back to This House with Dee. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to thread a serger. You normally don't hear easy threading with the word serger, but there is an easy way to thread a serger. For years, I remember when I first got my serger, I just saw the inside of a serger and I thought, oh my goodness, how am I going to thread this every single time I need a different color? So a lot of times I would just use the color that was in the serger on the outfit, even though, you know, nobody's going to see it anyway. So I would just not even be bothered with changing the thread because it was too much, too many things to deal with going in the machine. This is a brother serger, and you can't even open the side. Now this is my favorite serger. It is a white overlock, and at least the side opens up so you can actually get in and actually see all of the places where you thread your machine. This brother, it's a little more difficult, can be done, but the easy way that I found to thread the serger, you don't have to even open this up. You can keep this completely closed and you can rethread your serger. So let's take a look. So of course you're going to start with deciding what color you want to use for your project. So you're going to take the thread that's there and you're going to pull it up a little bit and cut as close to the spool as possible. So see how I'm like pulling it up? Then you take all these out and you've got your loose threads hanging. You choose the color you want. Find the end, put it on, and then just tie the two threads together. Find your ends like this. Just tie knots. Pull the knot tight. The tighter the knot, the better it'll stay. Excuse me. So just a knot. So the fabrics or the thread stays together. You can just see a little knot right there. If you've never done this before, this will change your life if you own a serger. Okay, so you've got them all rethreaded, all tied. Now all you need to do is pull your threads through where they have to. You can just lift up your zipper foot and pull out the threads, the red thread that I already have there, pull them out of the needle so everything is free. So the thread is out of your needle right now. Slowly pull on the needles, the left needle and the right needle. And then you're gonna get the knot. Sometimes they'll go right through the little latch at the top, but if it doesn't run smoothly like this one did, just kind of help the knot go through right there. And then just slowly pull through. There you go. You've got your red switched to white. And you're going to do the exact same thing for the upper looper and the lower looper. Slowly pull on them. If they need help getting through this top latch, just give it a little help through. And again, just slowly pull on your threads because they will pop if you pull too fast. There you go. So I kind of just help them through and slowly pull through. Done. Now all you have to do is rethread your needles. Pull the right needle through. And again, if you have a threader, so it kind of does it for you, then that's great. I think this one comes with a threader, but I just never use it because I can do it just like this. Okay, you are done. So no messing with the inside. I mean, look at this. It's just crazy inside. Much rather just tie it at the top. Pull them each individually through. If they need a little bit of a help, as you can see, the knot sometimes gets caught right there in that little loop, but that's okay. Just let it help it through a little bit. And you are ready to sew with your white thread. If this is the first time you've ever done this with a serger, I hope it changes your life. It sure did mine, because now I have the actual right color that matches the skirt for the inside of every seam. But yeah, I'm so glad you joined us today. Please make sure you like, share this video, and subscribe. See you back here next time on This House with Dee.